Welcome to Eric Blackmon Music. Hi, and welcome to my tutorial. In this lesson, I'm going to play the chords A through G as bar chords, and then I'm going to show you easy alternatives to each bar chord as we go along. The guitar is tuned standard E, A, D, G, B, E, and here's the first chord. We'll start with an A major bar chord. Play it this way. To play that chord, we're barring fret 5 all the way across with the index finger, bringing in the ring finger to fret 7 on the A string and the D string. Then we'll bring in a finger to the G string, fret 6, and strum all the strings. Now, of course, an easy alternative to that is our traditional A, which is played this way. In this one, we're holding down the D, G, and B string at fret 2 and strumming from the A string or from the E string. We can also play an A just by barring fret 2 with the index finger and playing the D, G, and B strings. Or you can start with the A string, like that. We can play an A inversion by taking the ring finger and placing it on the A string at fret 4 while we're holding down fret 2. We're not including the high E string. We can also go to fret 5 and play an F form like this. That's barring the B and high E at fret 5, G at fret 6, and the D string at fret 7. We can also include the A string in that. Our last A chord will be at the 9th fret, played this way. So we can play the G string at fret 9, the B string at fret 10, and the high E string at fret 9, and just strum those 3 strings for a high A. Here's how we'll play a B bar chord. We'll go to fret 7 and play this. For that one, we're barring fret 7 all the way across, bringing in a finger to the A string, fret 9, and the D string, fret 9, and fret 8 on the G string, strumming all the strings. That's our B bar. We'll go back down here to fret 4 and play a B chord like this. Now we're just holding down the D, G, and B strings and playing just those 3. We can also do a B bar by playing this chord. We're holding down those 3 strings at fret 4 and putting a finger on fret 2 of the A string. We can play a B inversion by holding down the strings at fret 4 again and bringing in the A string at fret 6 and playing that. We can play an easier B chord by going to fret 7 and playing this. That's an F form at fret 7. We can also go to fret 11 and play our easy form like this. That's a B chord as well, just playing those 3 strings. We'll play a C bar chord at fret 8. That's our usual bar. And we can go to fret 3 and play a bar chord like this. An easier chord would be our traditional C chord, like that. For that C, we're holding down fret 3 on the A string, fret 2 on the D string, and fret 1 on the B string, strumming from the A string. We can also go to fret 5 and bar it like that, playing just those 3 strings and our C inversion. We can also go back up to fret 8 and play this for our C, the F form. And also, last but not least, our easy form at fret 12. Our D bar chord will be played this way. That's a finger on the A string, fret 5, and we bar fret 7. We can also move this index finger up, play just those 3 strings. We can also add a finger here at fret 10, and we can do that with any of the bars that we play this way. Just add a high note there. We can go to fret 10 and play this, our F form. And then we can also go and play our traditional D chord like this. Our E bar chord will be played this way. That's with a finger on the A string, fret 7, and we bar fret 9. Of course, an easy alternative would be our E chord, or the open E. We can go back to fret 9 and bar these 3 strings and play our inversion by adding that finger on the A string. We can also play an E chord like this. For that one, I'm just holding down the D string at fret 2 and the G string at fret 1, strumming from the D string. An F chord will be played this way. That's our F bar. And we can do our F form like that. We can move up to fret 10 and play those 3 strings. And we can do our inversion by playing that. Finally, for our G chord, we'll play this as our G bar. An easy alternative to that would be just to play the open D, G, and B strings. We can also add a note here at the 3rd fret on the high E and play it again. We can go to the A string fret 2 and play from the A string down to the B string. That's also a G. And an easy G played this way, the F form. Our last chord would be the easy G played with 3 notes. Well, alright my friends, that's bar chords A through G and their easy alternatives. Thanks for stopping by and have a great day.